Summer 2019 is coming, and I have here for you 10 ways plus one bonus where you can make money this summer. There is some ways where you can work from home and some other that you should go out in the marketplace. But there are pretty much easy ways that if you are in holiday or if you are at home or if you don't have the job during the summer, you can use this way to make some money and maybe invest in another business. But we don't lose time. Just make sure to subscribe to the channel and we go with the first point. The first point is online or offline teaching to kids, because there are a lot of kids in school that maybe don't understand really good maybe math or English or some other languages or maybe science, that it's a difficult topic, and you can simply do maybe a lesson online through Skype, or you can go to the house of the kid and before just make sure that the parents are okay, and then you can teach the kid all the things that he doesn't understand. So first thing, you do a really great job helping your community, and then you can make some money just teaching simple stuff, maybe for 1 hour a day. And I have a lot of some of my friends that do this around my local area. The second point is sell some of your stuff on eBay. I know that I have already said this on other videos, but you can absolutely find some things that you don't use anymore in your room or in your house and sell them just on eBay. So you can make just quick maybe $200-500, so you can reinvest them maybe in your business and then also have a little bit of fun during the summer, because during the summer everybody likes to enjoy the life and really are more happy. The next point is delivery food. In summer the weather is really good, depends on your local area, but I think that pretty much all around the world it's very hot and a really good weather, and why not take your bike and just go delivery food. There is a lot of apps online, you can go simply and find them. For example, there is Uber Eats or a lot of much smaller, and you can go take the bike and then go delivery food. First thing, you earn money. Second thing, you do a simple sport, you burn calories, and then it's also a great way to get in shape for this summer. So why not doing this? The next point, it's babysit. This maybe depends of your personality type. For example, I am not comfortable with a really little kid because I like more business that are involved with serious action and consistency and other stuff. But if you like something maybe something chill that you can do on the weekends or on the evening, you can simply go out maybe on the Craigslist or if also other website and just find people that need babysitting service, and I can tell you that there is a lot of people. And then also you should go with a great look, a great presence, because the parents should pretty much give their kids in your hands and trust you. So really wear a dress, a really good dress, and you will see that you will have no problem to care about a baby. The next point that I also really like this is go walking with dogs. Okay, maybe you are saying that you don't have dogs, but just go around your neighborhood and find people that has dogs, and then just ask them or put them a little card inside their post, and just simply tell them that you can go walking maybe every day. You can take their dog and maybe they pay just $5 every time, and then you can take maybe 3 or 4 dogs, and then you go make a little walk for 20 minutes and you earn pretty much $20 or $30. And this is also a really good way to get you in shape and get a better body, because in summer everybody wants a nice six-packs, a nice body, nice muscles. And this is a way where you can combine fitness, health and business and making some money. And then after you have done your walk, you can go to the pool and enjoy the summer with your friends. Because if you think that pretty much everybody in the summer sleeps until 11 in the morning, and you should probably invest the time in something that is better. So you maybe wake up at 7 or 8, and then you do some 3 hours of work, and then you can go enjoy summer with your friends. The next point is help people moving. Especially in summer that the weather is good, it's not a bad thing. It's a really good. You just go out, meet new people, and help them move from the old house to a new one. And especially if you are a little bit stronger, you can use this way where you can also improve your health, because you walk more, you do some exercises, and then you help people to go in a better place. And this is a really good thing. To find people that want to move, you simply go on Craigslist or other website from your local area and just type in maybe moving or help for moving or some other keywords, and then you will find absolutely people that need your help. The next point is start your personal brand. Since in summer you have a lot of time, you have maybe motivation, you don't have a lot of people around you because everybody is away on the holiday. So it's the right time where you can plan and start your personal brand. And this is not a way where you can make quick money, but it's a way that will absolutely help you during the long term. Because you will start making videos maybe on Instagram, on YouTube, or posting pictures on Facebook. And then during the summer you have a lot of time to create really good content, because at the beginning the content is really important. And once you have maybe some good followers, the content is still important, but maybe a little bit less, because people are already subscribed or already follow you on all this platform. And if you are interested on doing your personal brand, I have a video where I share all the tips why you should start your personal brand and some tips if you want to start it. Then the next point is just go on a website called fiverr.com with 2R, and go and register yourself and then add your skills, because Fiverr is a website where companies and other people go there to find the freelancer and the people that do some work. For example, I sold some workout plans, and then I also had a service where people send me their picture normal, and I will edit them with Photoshop, increasing maybe the quality, better colors, blur background, and other stuff. And if you have good skills on this thing, or maybe you are a video maker, or you are good with Photoshop, or you can cut videos, or just create thumbnails for YouTube, you can go on Fiverr, and then people will pretty much find your gig, it's called, and will contact you to make that work, and they will pay you the amount, the money that you show. So you set the price, and this is really amazing. If you have any question, just drop a comment and I will absolutely answer you. The next point is photographer. In summer there is a lot of beautiful places and beautiful things around, so take your camera, and if you don't have one, just take your phone and go and make great photos. And then post that great photos on your Instagram account, and people will see that you have increased the quality, there is a structure behind your picture. So people will maybe ask you, how do you create that picture? Or maybe, can you help me? For example, I have on my profile really good pictures, and pretty much everybody that I know ask me about tips on Instagram, about if it's good the picture, if they should edit less or more, and other stuff. And you can simply tell them that they can pay you maybe, I don't know, $50-$20, and then you go maybe 2 or 3 hours with them, and you take some really good picture, and then you edit them with your phone or with Photoshop, depending on your skill. The more you learn, the more you know the skills, and the more you can get paid. But if you are just at the beginning, just make sure to create good pictures and really create good content so other people can see that your pictures are really valuable. Then the next thing is create an ebook. Because maybe you're thinking, okay, I am not a writer, I have done nothing amazing in my life, and the same thing is for me. But I have written some ebook just for, first of all, for myself, and then I want to write a new ebook and sell my ebook on Instagram. Just with your profile, you put your link in bio with the Amazon link, and then you can simply sell your ebook through Amazon, and people maybe will see that you have changed completely your body, and they will know what you have done. Or maybe you are good to going on skateboard, and you can create maybe a guide to start skateboarding in the right way. Just find your passion, your hobby, where you are good, write an ebook where you teach people to be good at the same thing, and then you will see that some people will show interest, and then you should start promoting that book in your post, in your stories, and grow your following. If you need, I have other video on my profile where I share some tips on how to grow on Instagram. And now at the end I have a really bonus one that it's I think this is the most valuable, the most interesting, and the one that people pays you more money. And this is pretty much private or personal coach for a sport. For example, I played soccer for 6 years, I played tennis for 2 years, and now I am in the gym for about 4 years. And I can teach all of this to other people, other young or older people. If someone asks me to go with them to the gym and help them to do exercises or create a meal plan, I can do it. If maybe someone just asks me to show them the basic about football or tennis, I can show them. And then you simply make an advertising on Craigslist or other search engines with this type of content, and people will write you because they want to learn that skill. So this was everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.